Today we have a very exciting video for you. This is a 2024 GMC Denali 1500. Now this is, to my knowledge, the first 2024 GMC Denali ever lifted 12 inches in the US. Getting 28 by 12 Cali Invader wheels with some Fury Country Hunter MT 40s. This truck is going to be unique in a couple of different ways. This tire is huge and it's wide, and you can put this on a 16-inch wide wheel if you want, but the customer doesn't want the wheels to stick out crazy, so we're not going to put them out crazy. We're doing 28 by 12s. Big face FTS red cross member, beautiful. I don't know of a cross member that I like better in the game right now. This thing is perfect. Along with the upper control arms color match, this entire lift kit is going to be red. So from the bottom to the top, red. The wheels going to be black and machined. Let's go. I wanted to also throw in the customer. His name is Jam. They call him Jay. It's his, I guess that's his everyday name. He drove all the way from like Columbus, Ohio to be here, which is crazy. And this happens all the time from people out of state, but Columbus is far. And it's, I just wanted to say I appreciate it to him if he's watching. Alright, so I really haven't had much of a chance to do an intro to this one. Truck all the way from Ohio to get a 12-inch FTS lift kit, all red. Bought every upgrade you could buy for it, traction bars in the rear, box strut tensioners and everything. The truck's going to be on 40-inch Fury tires with 28-inch Cali off-road wheels.
Get the wheel. I don't know my time. Chase up 20, get right to her.
I just like singing some bullshit. Again? Okay, let's not do it again. Maybe John I think the tire's gonna fall through. Fuck, bro. It's gonna be all the way up here, and then when I'm going fucking down here, how about we do this as a team?
John's gonna let it fall through. We're gonna have to start. John's new nickname is Comeback Joe.
What's comeback Joe?
He likes to fuck up. Here's our truck.
Moving on the wall.
Take the mirror off and hang it on the wall.
Alright,
Hello.
Guess I could have got him the 1350s, huh?
I remember my first time. Nothing a big time. It was really hard. Fucked up the wheel.
Hey Al, I need you to shut the fuck up, bro. Jesus Christ. Bro, Blue, you're my shot.
I'm working.
Move, you're in my shot.
Such an ass.
Heck yeah.
You can't, bro. You physically cannot.
Is there going to be a fight after work?
It definitely does not.
Oh my god, bro. This is fucking perfect. I'm gonna hurry somebody.
Putting it on or taking it off?
Bro, I'm a fucking genius.
He's a very scared, angry little man.
No, you should see
Just leave the fucking WD-40 on the ground so somebody can step on it and claim workers' comp. It's fine.
You see his fucking beginning of the video.
It's fine.
Fell right through.
Yeah, it did. Cut that out.
Cut that one out.
Oh, look, I just stepped on the WD-40. Almost broke your ankle. That's funny.
When are you going to Florida again? Fuck.
Another Denali finish. This is a 1500. It's the first 2024 in the country with a 12-inch FTS on it. All fire engine red. Big cross member. Upgraded upper control arms, fire engine red. Fully boxed strut tensioners. And the traction bars. All fire engine red. Yes, this truck does have magnetic ride control. If you see the sensors are still in place. Everything works. No lights on the dash. 12-inch boot from FTS makes everything possible. Look at the angle of the axle. It's perfect. This one came all the way from Ohio. In and out in 2 days.